Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Trust Wallet not showing balance full guide. Open Trust Wallet and tap Settings, then Wallets to refresh assets and force a balance update. Check that hidden tokens are enabled and import any missing custom tokens using their contract address. If balances still do not appear, toggle the network connection, clear app cache, and verify holdings on a block explorer to confirm on-chain amounts. Importing tokens safely fixes many missing balance issues, and it is simple when you follow a few steps. Locate the exact contract address on a trusted explorer, then use Trust Wallet's import token function to add it manually. Double-check the token symbol and decimals to ensure accuracy and prevent showing zero balances. This helps the app read on-chain data correctly and display the precise amounts held in your wallet. In this video, I will help how to fix Trust Wallet not showing balance full guide. Quick recommendation: if you enjoy reading crypto guides on the go, consider the Kindle Paperwhite I mentioned earlier for comfortable, glare-free reading. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more troubleshooting guides, and check the description for the link and other deals. Now, let's get back to the video. Connection issues and outdated app versions often cause balances to vanish, so start by checking your network and updating Trust Wallet. A stable connection allows the app to query nodes and fetch accurate balances, while updates fix known bugs. If problems persist, clear the app cache or reinstall Trust Wallet after securing your seed phrase. These steps restore normal balance display without risking your funds, and they usually fix the issue quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.